Do you perhaps want to start a YouTube channel? Do you want to do live videos? Do you want to go live and have, a live session with some people? Now, when it comes to recording videos online, there's one big obstacle that keeps a lot of people from recording. That is, they tell themselves that they're not good in front of the camera, or they're not comfortable enough in front of the camera. What is up, YouTube? It is your favorite YouTuber in the building, Chris Olingo, aka the GOAT. Now, in this video today, I'm going to show you the 7 P's that can help you in becoming a better or becoming a videogenic, if that's a word, because I know there's a photogenic, yes. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. P number 1 is play. P for play. Play around the camera. Put the camera up. Just set the camera somewhere and start playing around, recording and run to the back. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It is me, your favorite YouTuber. Okay, just don't use that phrase, please. The second P is called personalize. Now, personalize actually means make it more personal. Like I'm talking to you right now. I'm actually picturing one person standing opposite me right now, and I'm talking to them, I'm speaking to them, speaking straight into the camera's lens. Now, in my mind, I'm saying, when I'm speaking, let me speak like I'm speaking to somebody that's in front of me, that's want to see me, like that want to hear from me, like so eager to hear from me, like, oh my word, Chris is talking. What is he saying? What is he saying? What is he trying to say? What is he trying to say? You know what I mean? So when you speak, don't be like, and my cats died, so I wanted to go home, but I didn't. So but you guys can just please subscribe to this channel because it helps me a lot. And thank you guys for watching. Speak to the person like you're actually speaking to somebody that's face to face with you. Engage with your audience. When you speak to them like you're speaking to somebody that's right in front of you, like I'm doing right now. I'm speaking to you like you're right in front of me, bro. I can even slap you. But so that leads me to P number 3. P number 3 is for pace. This one I'm actually guilty myself, because when I speak, pace is when you speak to the camera or you speak to the people that are actually watching your audience, and then you go so fast, like, and I went, and my cat was it, you're not giving your audience time to actually listen to what you're trying to say. That myself, I'm guilty for that, because sometimes when I get so excited or telling a story, I speak so fast, because, and oftentimes I'm trying to remind myself to actually calm down, bro, calm down. When you are speaking, make sure your pace is set in the right way and in the right tone, that the person that's willing to listen to you is actually understanding what you're saying and not really trying so hard to keep up with you because you're going so fast, like, take your time, speak to the person, speak to the people, depending on the topic as well. If your topic is the topic that you're doing there, if it's educational, people need to hear what you're saying. So you gotta stop, like you gotta slow down and speak more calmly and more nicely, but engaging. You know what I mean? It's 2 different things, but it's one thing. Don't work out together. Speak calmly, but engage. Don't be out there speaking so fast or speaking so slow that your audience, your audience are out there like, bro, get to the point. You're like, so I went to this other girl the other day, and she you know what, and she came, like, she came to my place, like, I don't get straight to the point, speak to the people straight to the point, use very good gesture when you're speaking to them to make them understand what you're trying to say, because your accent might come out really funny to some other people somewhere around the world. Like my accent might come out very funny to somebody that's based in UK or based in America or wherever. Moving on to P number 4. P number 4 is for pretend. Now listen carefully. I'm not saying that you gotta copy somebody else, but what I'm saying is this. We all have that one person on the internet that we like so much that whenever they post a video, we out there first thing watching the video. Now when I say pretend and number 4, is actually you have to see, or you have to observe and see what is it that you like about this person, like you always going to watch his video. Is it the person's personality, sense of humor, the way of talking? What glues you? What is attracting you to this person? Like, why are you always going to this person? You have to find that thing, that why, that that attracts you to this person, and take that and try to incorporate it in your video or in yourself, or trying to be the person that you want to see out there, because I want to watch somebody that's very funny, that's telling a story but in a very fun, make it more fun for people to actually watch it. It can be something very, very deep and very serious, but the way of explaining it can make a person like less worried, like, okay, it's not that deep, Let me just calm down, you know, it's not that. So moving on to P number 5. P number 5 is for passion. You have to convince your audience that you're actually passionate about what you're speaking about, because your audience can easily pick up that you are not passionate, or you are not passionate about what you're talking about, or what you're speaking about, or what you're trying to convince them to do. So they can see in your eyes, or they can see when you speak, if you are getting, you know, when you speak and you like, and so I'm telling a story today about what happened to me the last time, and I went out and I got really drunk with my friends, and we, you know, you have to make it, you have to put some passion into it. Like, you have to make it so juicy, make it spicy, so that the person that's actually watching you is able to pick up, this person is really enjoying what he's telling me. And I can see the person is actually enjoying it by the excitement in the person's face when they're speaking about this thing, or when they're telling me the story about this thing. The audience can really easily see that this person is not passionate about what they're saying, or they are really passionate about what they're saying. So P number 5 is for passion. So P number 5 is for passion. You have got to have the passion, boy. You got to have the passion when you're speaking to an audience. So we're moving on to P number 6. P number 6 is for pressure. You gotta take the pressure off, boy. Take the pressure off. Relax. You're only human. Every human out here, 99.9% of us human that are here, or 100% of us women that are here, you know, make mistakes. It's understandable if you make mistakes. Keep trying again, try again, try again, and try again. Don't be hard on yourself. You're just starting out. Do not be hard on yourself. Take it easy. Be patient with yourself. Be relaxed. You know, take the pressure off yourself. You're gonna make mistakes whether you like it or not. So live with it. You're a human being. Try to live with what you can do, what you cannot do. If mistakes comes, mistakes go. You gotta make mistakes, so take the pressure off yourself. Like, oh my word, I don't wanna make a mistake. It's my first video. I don't wanna make a mistake. I don't wanna make a mistake. People's gonna leave me. Take the pressure off. That's okay if you make a mistake. You can still keep practicing and practicing and practicing. That's the only way you're gonna learn, or you're gonna be comfortable. If you keep pushing on, practicing, you're gonna make mistakes here and there. Yes, you are human. Everybody do. Even your favorite YouTubers in the building, even the GOAT himself, that make mistakes all the time. But what we do, we can pick ourselves up and we keep doing it. We keep pushing until we get what we actually, you know, satisfied with, and we take that, we put it there. It doesn't have to be 100%. Look, it just have to be you being yourself, being real to yourself. Being real as always. Like, I am very real. Like, I speak real. I don't care if you don't find it, or if you want me to pretend for the YouTube, or to pretend for people to like me. I'm real as I'm just real. I'm real because I'm trying to take out the pressure, because I take the pressure off myself. I don't want to compare myself with so much people. I don't want to. So that's it for P number 6. Moving on. Last but not least, P number 7, which is most important, is practice. Practice. Have you ever heard of that phrase, practice make perfect? That person wasn't lying, but he didn't say it right. Practice does not make perfect, but practice makes you better. Makes you better than what you were before and what you actually becoming. So when you practice a lot, like even when you release your videos and you put them on the internet, for the first 2 or 3 videos, you're not gonna be perfect at all. But once you get used to it, like once you start producing content, you can just come and wake up out of the blue and choose one topic and talk about it, and make a video and post it, and people will like it. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, thinking that if I post this video today, maybe like 10 people or 50 people are gonna watch it, and that's to me is a fail. No, don't put those type of pressure on yourself. You keep producing content. One day is one day. One of them will go viral, and boom, you'll be out there swimming with them big sharks. You know what I mean? So guys, if you like this video, please tell me in the comment section which are your favorite. So that's it for today's video, guys. Keep producing content. Keep crushing it. I'll see you guys again on Monday, 6 p.m. for a small YouTuber support system. We're gonna be out there. Please tell me in the comment section your favorite way or your favorite P in this piece, how you want to do it. Please tell me in the comment section your favorite P. Please comment your favorite P on my comment section and let me see. And if you have any other that I actually missed, please make sure to tell me on the comment section. Please tell me in the comment section which method do you use to get comfortable in front of camera. Peace, guys. I'll see you guys again on Monday. It is your favorite YouTuber in the building, Chris Lingo, aka the GOAT. Peace.